Say goodbye to old school ear cleaning. This is the Snow Visual Ear Cleaner, and it's a game changer equipped with a 12-inch high jet resolution camera. You can literally see inside your ear canal in real time. No more guessing, no more digging around. It comes with precision tweezers and a soft ear scoop, making the whole process smoother and safer. Built from durable ABS and PC materials with zero harmful chemicals, it's safe for all ages. Customers are loving it. Fast shipping, high satisfaction. Next up, the Bebird Note5 Pro. This isn't just a cleaner, it's a smart personal health tool. Why? Because it combines a tiny endoscopic camera with tweezers and visual guidance, so you can see and remove earwax safely and easily. Made from premium aluminum alloy. This device is built to last, and it looks sleek too, with multiple tips included. You can choose what fits your needs best. And finally, the Bebird Ear Sight Plus, built with a crystal clear camera. It helps you spot and clean earwax effortlessly. With 10 million pixel resolution, you won't miss a thing. It's made from safe, chemical-free materials, and the painless tweezers make every clean, gentle, and precise. For the price, the quality is unbeatable. Highly recommended for those who take hygiene seriously.